let me just highlight on some of the practices and the procedure of how ticket is given to a candidate in Bharatiya Janata Party. The name comes through the recommendation from the Mandal, and that name goes to the district. Mandal, in a sense, assembly constituency, goes to the district. From the district, another recommendation given to the state. From the state, the names are compiled. As far as 20th Koridang By-Election is concerned, multiple names or multiple ticket seekers were there. But only based on some basic screening, certain names were sent to the national level. And there, Central Election Committee, which was mentioned by our Honorable Minister, consists of none other than our Honorable Prime Minister, the Defense Minister, and also the Home Minister, along with the National President, Nitin Navinji. They decide based on several number of survey which was conducted in this particular constituency, in person as well as from different statistics and the data. So that is how the procedure of giving away a ticket. And as far as our candidate Taucher I. Imchen is concerned, the ticket was given based on his ability and capability. There is no other factor whatsoever.